Hey lovelies, welcome back. And today I'm doing an unboxing of the Canon Rebel EOS 7i Canon camera. The reason why I got this camera is because I want to make better quality videos, and also my old camera just died on me. I wasn't ready to purchase a camera right now again, but I need it anyway because I'm filming right now on the iPhone 6 Plus, and the quality doesn't look bad filming on this phone. The only problem is it doesn't focus, and you can't really do a lot of things with it that you can do with a professional camera. Okay, so I ordered this camera from overstock.com, and it took about 3 days to get here, so I'm really excited. And here is the box that it came in. I don't have much space, but this is the box. I already took the tape off and everything. So let me just get right to it and show you everything that came in the box, because this box happens to be a bundle, and I think that's the best way to get it, because if you just get the camera, just the body alone, you're gonna pay a lot for it. But if you can find a value where you get a bundle and the camera, I think that's the way to go. Now, Amazon also has a bundle, and you could go that way. You can order from Amazon also, and you'll get some extra stuff instead of just buying just the body alone. Try to get a bundle. That's much better. Okay, let me get right into it. First of all, I'm going to show you everything I got here. Now, this is a, what is this? This is a Focus Digital Slave Flash. I don't know what that means, y'all, but this is it. You add this to the camera, and that's like, I guess it's like an outside flash. Even though the camera already has a flash, I'm gonna have to read up on why you need an external flash also, but it came with it, so I'm not gonna refuse it. Now, I'm thinking that this extra flash may be $20 or something. I've never seen it. I'm just assuming that, you know, that it probably costs something like that, and I'm happy that it came in the bundle, just in case maybe you might need it if the camera, that's a not enough flash for the camera, and they give you this extra external flash. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, this is a filter that comes along with the bundle, and the filters are purple, like a off grayish color, and like it looks clear to me. And this is it on the back. So I'm gonna have to study what these things are. Now, I know a filter makes things more clear, more sharp, so I'm happy this came along with the bundle. And I'm thinking that maybe this is probably like, you would probably pay like $10. So far, I figured I'd already save like $20. Then you get your camera bag. Now, I've seen these camera bags go for like $20, $25 and up. So I'm happy this came along with the camera. I think this is kind of a standard thing. Even if you just get the body, they probably do have a bag that comes along with other cameras, but you know, all these added other things, I'm sure that just doesn't come along with the body. Okay, and I'm just grabbing in here, see what else is in here. It's a tripod. This tripod you can put on the desk. You know, this is called an octopus tripod. I know that. It doesn't look really expensive. You know, just a tabletop tripod. that you would probably pay, I'd say about $8 to $10, maybe 15. So that's already another saving that comes with the bundle. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Oh, and these are lens, and they are 2 lens. These are a focus lens. It's called telephoto focus lens, and I'm not sure what they're used for yet. And they come in a little bag inside. There are 2 of them in here. Let me show you. Okay, and this is a lens all wrapped up, and this is how they look out the bag. Let me open this up. Okay, this just, see how the lens look? And I'm not sure what any of these things are for. It just says focus on it. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of studying on this and see what everything is for. I'm very excited about this. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Oh, the scan disc. Now these, I know about the pricing of these because for my other camera, it didn't come with a scan disc, and that was $25. And it's 32 gigs, and I'm happy that this came with it. So I'm thinking that maybe so far with all this, I probably saved about at least $50. Let me see if there's anything else in the box. Alrighty then, I don't see anything else in the box. Okay, so this is it, y'all. This is the baby right here. This is the Canon EOS Rebel T7i. Now this camera, I have seen a lot of YouTubers, if they want to tell you what they're using, they seem to like this camera. And I think the camera is a great quality from seeing them filming with this camera. So I'm really excited about it. So let me crack it open. Okay, let's see what comes in the box. This is the box with the camera. And inside of this box, there is registration. There's a booklet, a very huge book, and it's in English, French, and Spanish. Okay, I guess these are all the instructions on how to use the camera, and I'm gonna have to study this. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is the warranty. It's a limited warranty. I didn't purchase any other warranty, just this limited warranty that comes with the camera. I don't plan on dropping the camera or anything like that. You never know, but if anything happens, I'll just have to fix it. Okay, what else is in here? This is the battery, and this looks like the same battery that I had with my other camera. And what else is in here? Okay, this is the thing that goes in the battery. The battery goes in here, and this looks the same also as the other charger that I have for my camera that just conked out on me. And the strap. Okay, it says Canon. I'm glad it says Canon and not Focus. Alrighty, and what else? There's a big lens in here. So there's so many lenses that come in here. It's packaged very nicely. I don't know what to do with any of these lenses or anything. Let me take it out. Let's see. The cap is on the front. cap is on the back. So this is the big lens. Now, okay, this is the camera. Ooh, oh, comes in a little bag. Ta-da! Look at this camera. Oh, this is so cute. I'm gonna have fun with this after I learn how to do everything. Okay. Ah, the viewfinder. You can watch yourself while you're filming. Okay. All the features in the back. All right, let me put that down very carefully. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. But it was a lot. And the total, it was on sale for $799. And I think it was with the discount of about $50 worth of added extra. I think it was a very good value. I did not pay for shipping. Yeah, so it came up to the total was $834, but I'm happy with it because of all the extras. So I'm just gonna get in there, learn about the camera, and I am going to start using the camera, and you're gonna see the results of the videos, the new videos that I make. And tell me what you think about this bundle. Do you think it's a good deal? Or do you think I should have just gotten the body alone? But I think it's a good deal. I like all the extras. Yeah, I really like all the extras. Anyway, that's the end of the unboxing.